Welcome to the Super Simple Sales System. My name is Dave Espino. This is Jeremy Kennedy, and we have something very exciting for you today. I was talking to Jeremy one day, and he said, I've got this thing that is super easy for people to do. It's especially perfect for those who haven't made their first $100 online, haven't made their first income yet. It's perfect for them because it's so easy to do. You don't need all this technical stuff. You don't need websites, funnels, traffic. None of that stuff. It's super simple. So then I looked at it and I started digging and I'm like, wow, this thing really is super simple. Like this is crazy. We got to bring it out.
Yeah, I've been using this system for years and years, and other people that I've taught have used it and gotten great results with it over the years. And it's something that you can use to get sales to just about anything that you want without having to build a website. You really don't have to build squeeze pages. You don't need an email list. You don't have to have a social media following. And it's probably the most simple system ever created online for getting sales. I've been using this to sell $297 products, $497 products, $997 products. I have a friend who used it to sell a $10,000 product. And I've also used it to sell low ticket products in the range of $19, $27. You'll see results on this page below is all results from this system specifically.
Yeah, not only that, but Jeremy has proven it for himself for several years, and he's got lots of success stories that have also proven it for themselves. And this is really, really how simple it is. You're putting the right product in front of the right people at the right time. And imagine that process, but as simple as it could possibly be. All the details will be inside the product, so be sure to check out the page down below. And be sure to check this out because you could be making money as soon as today if you want.